Hey guys, I'm Eli. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code and download Smiley Button on microbit. Alright guys, so once you get to the Barber website page, you're going to need to click on Arduino/microbit. Then after you click on that, the Smiley Buttons tutorial video is going to be right here. Go to a new tab and type in makecode.microbit.org. Okay guys, so once you get to this screen, you're going to want to scroll down and click on Smiley Buttons. Then you want to hit Python. Okay, it's going to load you in. Okay guys, so you're going to want to copy down this code right here exactly as it is onto your screen in microbit. This is the code. And make sure you have the exact same spacing between the dents and input and outputs and the basics and the defs, all that. Make sure it's the exact same and copy down into your microbit tab. Okay, when you download, you're going to want to plug this side of your USB cord to this port, the port in the middle of your microbit. Make sure it's right side up too. And then you're going to want to plug the larger side into USB port right here. Oh, there we go. The USB port on the computer, just like that. It should look like that. Okay guys, so once you've hooked in your microbit, you're going to want to go and hit download. This usually takes about 10 seconds. You're going to get this screen. Then once it's done, you should be set. So once you downloaded your code onto your microbit, you're going to want to get your battery pack and plug it into your microbit right here in the first hole. See that? And then it should work like this. So when you hit A, it's going to display a smiley face. When you hit B, it's going to hit a frowny face. And when you hit A and B at the same time, it'll do a silly then a surprised face. Alright guys, that is how you properly code and download Smiley Button on microbit. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.